Building construction classification. The construction activities in the field of architecture and civil engineering are divided into 7 groups: demolition and geotechnics, concrete, steel, masonry, insulation, openings, and finishing. The concrete specifications are divided into 5 sections: concrete materials and mixed design, concrete properties, concrete execution specifications, rebar execution specifications, special concretes. Concrete constituents include cement, aggregate, water, and admixtures. Building construction principles. General storage conditions. Storage containers should be clearly labeled. Storage times should be determined and followed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Light-sensitive materials should be stored away from direct sunlight. Organic additives are more sensitive to temperature and sunlight and deteriorate more quickly. Storage of liquid additives should be protected from freezing and extreme temperature drops. Even temperature drops, without freezing, can cause solids to settle and make them difficult to use. Storage of powdered additives. They are very sensitive to moisture. They should be packaged and stored in completely moisture-proof bags or containers. Reference.